Want to turn your drone into a money-making machine? I'm Sarah, and I've got 7 drone business ideas you probably never thought of. So stick around because one of these could earn you up to $10,000 a month based on real current industry trends. Hey, drone pilots and entrepreneurs. I'm Sarah, your local marketing pro who's helped businesses from Main Street to the skies grow fast. I've studied how drone operators are turning their passions into profit, also incorporated my own experiences, and today, I'm sharing 7 cutting-edge drone business ideas that could transform your hobby into a thriving drone business. One of these ideas is so simple, it could change everything for you. Ready to soar? Let's dive in. First up, real estate photography. Aerial shots help home listings to stand out, and realtors are willing to pay for them. Picture this. A drone pilot charges $500 per property and books 4 of them a month. He captures stunning aerial shots with the drone that he has. You don't need to buy the newest thing on the market. He edits it with anything from Adobe, Premiere to even as simple as DaVinci Resolve. That's $2,000 a month for weekend work based on current industry rates. But the next idea, it's even more lucrative and needs 0 editing skills. Idea number 2, drone roof inspections. Homeowners and insurance companies are willing to pay to avoid risky ladder climbs. Imagine inspecting a couple roofs a day at $150 each. Drones can quickly, safely, and efficiently spot leaks or damage, and that can add up quick every day based on standard pricing for quick inspections. Depending on the area of the country you're in, facade inspections are also a really great niche to explore. Simple tip, just email local roofing companies with a simple pitch of your services. Yes, some of them will already have it in-house, but not everybody. Now, what if you could tap into a market with 0 competition? Idea number 3 is drone mapping for construction. At construction sites, builders need 3D maps for planning, and drones make it easy. Picture a pilot using Drone Deploy to map 3 sites at $1,000 each. Drone Deploy has AI, which can turn footage into maps. There's even a free trial. That could be up to $3,000 for a few hours of flying. But the next idea? It's perfect for creative pilots who love storytelling. Stay with me. Idea 4, drone event videography. Weddings, festivals, and corporate events want epic aerial footage. Imagine a pilot landing a $3,000 gig for a town festival. This is really easy to build a portfolio as well if you're willing to do a little work on the front end for free. I challenge you. Look at what events are coming up. Is there a fair, a rodeo, a local festival? What could you contribute to this? The simple way would be to reach out to advertisers and say, hey, I'd love to help document this experience, create amazing images that you can use in future promotions. What do you think? If you don't ask, you can't hear yes. And if it's a high-profile event, they're going to have some sort of budget for promotion. So offer them a place to put it. But what if you could make money without leaving your neighborhood? Idea 5 is a local gold mine. And this idea is drone advertising for local businesses. Restaurants, gyms, shops, they want unique ads to stand out. Picture a pilot creating a 30-second drone ad for a cafe at $300 a pop. You can use free tools like Canva to add text overlay. And if they were to book you monthly, that would be $3,600 a year from one client. And that's based on typical ad pricing. But the next idea, it's so niche, it's practically untapped. You won't believe this one. Idea 6 is drone agricultural monitoring. Farmers need aerial data for crops and livestock. Imagine a pilot using a thermal drone to monitor a farm's irrigation at $800 per visit. There are highly affordable thermal drones, which are perfect for spotting water leaks. With weekly visits, that could be $3,200 a month based on farm services pricing. But idea 7, that's the one that could earn you $10,000 a month. Ready for the big reveal? Idea 7, drone content creation for social media influencers. TikTok and Instagram stars want jaw-dropping shots. Picture a pilot filming for a travel influencer at $500 per shoot. You can find influencers on Instagram using hashtags like #travelblogger. And if you could swing 20 of those per month, that would be $10,000. That's based on what top influencers pay for premium content. Interested in just getting your feet wet? Offer a free sample video to a local client. Find an influencer in the wild. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but where do I start? Here's the deal. You don't need a fancy drone or years of experience. Start with a $500 drone, get your FAA, the Part 107 for $150, and pitch one client this week. These numbers are real-world examples based on industry rates, and pilots are landing $1,000 gigs in their first month. I worked with one pilot who took this knowledge, ran with it, and booked 3 commercials within that month at $5,000 each. He sent me a thank you with a $15,000 invoice screenshot showing what he had done. It is possible. You just have to be in front of people and give them the opportunity to say yes to you. So if it seems too expensive, just know budget drones do work for most of these ideas. No clients? I'll show you how to find them next. But there is one mistake that could stop you cold. Want to know what it is? The biggest mistake is not pitching locally. Your town's businesses, farmers, realtors need your services, but they don't know you're out there. So here's how to fix that. Tip 1. Create a one-page portfolio with sample footage. You can use free drone shots if you're new. Tip 2. Email 10 local businesses with a clear offer. Example, $200 for a 30-second ad. Tip 3. Regularly post drone clips on Instagram to attract new clients. Use hashtags like hashtag drone services, hashtag aerial shots, whatever you think your ideal client would be searching for. These strategies are based on what successful pilots do to land gigs fast. So, which of these 7 ideas are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below and let's get this conversation flying. Want to skip the guesswork? Grab my DronePro Kit for just $47. It includes proven outreach templates, pricing guides, an offer creation worksheet, and a prospect tracker to keep you organized. Plus, check out my Booked and Flying Masterclass if you're looking for a step-by-step guide to landing clients. Links are in the description. And remember, these ideas can work, but you've got to take action. Subscribe for more drone business tips, hit that like button if you're ready to soar, and I'll see you in the sky.